We are working on a Mercedes 2020 Mercedes-Benz. It's the AMG model, but you know, you could get the basic model, has the same moonroof. It's an 835. We're gonna go ahead and fix the moonroof retractor. It's got the big moonroof panorama roof, so the current is all wrinkled and hanging. So it's got it has two screws right here, 1, 2, and they're right there where I took them off from. 1, 2, you could get through them through the top, just like that. It's a T25. It's a T25 from here, 1, 2, but you have to first remove the moonroof, which is you got one here, 2, 3, 4, and they're the same size, T25. So you got 8 screws, 4 on each side. Once you remove the screws, you remove the moonroof, which is over there. I set it down over here on the side, and now we could get a better look at the retractable from the top. And we're gonna see if we could repair the same one. If not, we're gonna probably see if we could buy it at the Mercedes dealer. There's the new one, you know? Because this retract this. That part don't work no more. Let me see if I can put the timer down for you, my viewers. It's gonna be kind of hard. I don't have a holder. This is a retract. Maybe I could get it to do more pressure and it'll work, you see? Sorry for that.